everybody. So this is the next installment of the tiny house installation, and we wanted to get a quick one in today because we got the excavators coming to kind of clean out the backyard. You see, like, you know, pieces of root, big root lying there, and just it's a lot of uneven ground. There's even a big hole where a part of the poplar tree fell and knocked a big hole in the yard. That's got to be filled in. And right over here, remember that? You remember that stump? Well, that's what's left of it. There's the mulch, and so that goes down about 2 feet. So that's going to be removed. Everything's just going to be leveled off. These stumps are going to be taken out, and the ground's just going to be leveled. We've had tarps over the ground to try and help with keeping the moisture out, but I don't know if that's done a whole lot of good or not. It seems to have just trapped the condensation as the temperature has been dropping and rising during the day, so I don't know if that's helped or not. But anyway, that's where, of course, the unit is going. I think we've mentioned right over there in the corner. So that's where the unit's going. And the guys are coming today, not with the unit, but just to clear out everything. And like I said, level everything out. And I think we've shown you already the gate where, you know, we have to open it up and left the equipment back here. But it has been, I mean, you know, it looks a little better now, but it's been annoying to have it like this. It's just been kind of frustrating to have it in this kind of disarray. So we're ready to move forward into the next phase. And there's a clip just before this that shows what's left of the poplar, the stump. I didn't give much intro, and I don't think we've had a lot of views on it, but take a look at that first, because it'll precede this clip. And I'm just jumping up on the stump and telling you what's going on. The dogs seem to like it, but it's again, it's a work in progress. So we're ready to move on to the next phase. What they're doing today is bringing in loads of sandstone. Isn't that what it's called?
Gravel, I guess.
Right, but there's a particular name. So they're digging out that. We're digging out that section right back there where the unit's going to go. Then they're laying in, I don't think it's going to go down, but like, what, maybe a foot or two?
Probably about 3 feet. It's French drains.
Okay, French drains. And then they're laying in the sandstone, and that filters like the gray water and the water from the kitchen sink.
Yeah, basically everything all the water that leaves the house that's not toilet.
Right.
Because we're going to have a compostable toilet, so
right.
Washing machine, kitchen sink, bathroom sink, yeah.
Right.
So sort of kind of makes us a little bit more aware and cognizant of what we put down the drain.
Right.
You know? Because it's not going off to some water treatment waste facility. It's in the ground right outside the house. So.
Yes, I know.
So no toxic chemicals.
Yeah, that'll take some adapting. Yeah, so they're going to do that, and I don't know if they're doing this today. I think they may just be bringing in the sandstone today, but I think tomorrow they're going to dig out the driveway and put in they're digging out where the driveway is going to be, because we're going to have the driveway done out front, and then they're going to lay in the sandstone there so we can be ready to just place the bricks when we get those. Watch it. Yeah, but that's it. We wanted to show you next step, and I think it'll probably be a good idea to do some filming of like the equipment once it's here too. We'll stand up on the deck or something maybe and film it. But we're hoping by days in tomorrow, this is going to look a lot different. And, you know, this crappy, lumpy.
Yeah, and you can't really see see it as well as I had hoped with the leaves, just because it doesn't look quite as lumpy with mounds and depressions as it actually is.
Yeah.
But it's treacherous.
It is treacherous, especially with that hole.
Yeah, and I mean leaves have filled it up now, but
Yeah.
I mean it's there. Our own little devil's trampling ground right here.
Yeah.
Which again, because of the leaves, you can't really see.
Yeah. But yeah, I wouldn't want one of the dogs to run into that. Almost tempted to put something around it to keep them away. Anyway, yeah, well, we'll film the equipment when it's here too. I think that'd be a good idea as well. So that's it, and we will check back in with you with phase 3, I guess.
Hooray!
Yay!